Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the Leadership Life Hack series and leadership success, about the 5 O rules of leadership. So earlier we learned about the 5 I rules. Now we are going to learn about 5 O rules. Why I'm saying and laying emphasis on I, I stands for input. So give your best input to get the best output. So we have already given what we have inside us, okay, with the 5 I's. Now let us have the words for the 5 O's with the output, okay, in terms of technology, in terms of computer, in terms of everything. Okay, let's start with 5 O's of leadership. So what are the 5 O's according to me? They are: number 1, a leader has to be optimistic; number 2, be observant; number 3, outshine; number 4, overcome; number 5, original. Be original, be yourself, be your authentic self. Okay, so let's understand all of these. So I want to quote a very beautiful quotation, or being optimistic, by one of the eminent authors, writers, and storyteller who was an inspiration to and a role model to many. Who was she? Let's see. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope or confidence. You guessed it right. Who was she? Helen Keller. Yes. So whenever you see, the leader is always optimistic, thinking about the more opportunities and more uh, things on the positive ends, right? You can see example could be a sunrise over a mountain range, symbolizing a new beginning and positivity. So it could be a very bright beginning. So bright and uplifting colors like yellow and orange to give the warmth and energy. So leaders always think in a positive way, right? Be optimistic about your goals, achievements, your success, your targets, your failures. Be optimistic in whatever work you are doing. Okay, but once you give it your best, definitely results are gonna turn around. Okay, so embrace positivity in challenging situations. Use optimism to inspire and motivate your teams, your colleagues, your work, and your environments, your relationships. Focus on the solutions, not the problem. That is one of the key factors in being a leader. Number 2, observing. Again, I'll quote a very good quotation by one of the eminent authors. The most important thing in communication is hearing what is not said. So that is being called observed during your meetings, during your having calls, or during your mails even. Try to understand the hidden communication which is being given, right? Although people are very open about it, but few times you have to understand what is not being said. Okay, a close up of an eagle's eye representing the sharp observation which is required as a leader, which is a very required quality as a leader. Subtle tones like blue and gray to convey the focus and clarity. Use the minimalistic, right? Pay attention to details and unspoken cues. Be mindful of your surroundings to make better decisions. Observing behavioral can lead to deep understanding and connection. Observe that. Okay. Number 3, the quality of a leader, the skill of a leader is to outshine. In a high IQ pool, soft skills and discipline drive empathy and mark those who emerge as outstanding. So in order to outshine, people with high IQ with skills like discipline and determination, drive and empathy are considered that outstanding. So the difference between an ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. So in order to outshine, you need to go to that extra. I always emphasize on go to that extra mile, take that, push your boundaries. So excellence is not a skill. You have to develop that excellence, right? The only way to do the great work is to love for what you do. Always being told by the eminent leader itself, Steve Jobs. So if you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. You don't need that permission, right? You need to do it for yourself, to make your impact, to make your voice outshine, to make your communication outshine. A group of hikers helping each other up to steep paths symbolizing teamwork. Warm and colors like red and gold to convey unity and trust. Okay. So the value diverse perspective for innovation. Foster a culture of mutual respect and cooperation to outshine. Great leaders build, always build and perform, outperform. Okay. Number 4 is overcome. So what do we need to overcome? As a leader also, we are also a human being, right? So overcome your fears and challenges. What is stopping you from being yourself? It is knowing that it is the only one thing that is the power and responsibility to pick yourself up first, right? A bending tree in a storm is not breaking, symbolizes the resilience, and you can overcome that. Last but not least, original. Be original. Be your authentic self to attain your passions, right? Effort and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. So be that original self to attain your purpose, put your efforts in the right direction, and define clear goals for yourself and your people. Lead with intention to inspire others. Purpose and action and vision for long-term success. Hope these 5 O's are going to help you in the long term. And that's about me. And for more insights on leadership training, mentoring, advice, and coaching, do like, follow, and connect with me on the same. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.